Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a tour of the construction on the way of the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. Now we're not going to go much further because this is a lot of construction going on, but this is the highway that's being built from Maypen to Mandeville, and it's part of Highway 2000. It's actually section 1C of the Highway 2000 project. There you can see a lot of construction going on down there. So we're just going to turn around here. Now this is the section that takes us from Maypen and comes out by the Melrose Hill bypass. So we're just taking a quick tour. So the highway is going to run from the Rio Mena Bridge in Maypen to Williams Field in Manchester. And it's going to, this is a new road that has been built through the hills. Actually, a new bridge has been built, the Rio Mena Bridge. And then the road will come out, or the highway will come out by the Melrose Hill bypass, where it merges with the Melrose Hill bypass. So the Melrose Hill bypass is going to be turned into 4 lanes, and it's no longer, you can only access it when driving on the highway now. It's going to be a part of the highway, and you can have to use the actual Melrose Hill if you're driving on the old road. Alright, so this is the section that takes us out to the Melrose Hill bypass. And this highway is a part of Highway 2000, which is a project to build a highway from Kingston to Montego Bay. But it's so expensive that they decided to build a highway in sections. So currently the Kingston to Maypen section is open, but the section from Maypen to Mandeville is the one that we are driving on now, and that is under construction. So the Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway is going to cost US $188 million. It should be completed in March 2023, and it runs from the Maypen roundabout to the Williams Field roundabout. This project includes 48 engineers, 18 of which are Jamaican. The contractor for this project is China Harbour Engineering Company, which is a Chinese contractor, and it involves 754 workers, and 603 of those workers are Jamaican. Now the new segment of the highway begins at the western end of the existing Maypen roundabout. It continues in a westerly direction across the Rio Mena Bridge, and that bridge is the widest bridge in Jamaica. Now the route continues in a westerly direction, passing south of the Bustamante Highway, and then the highway passes south of Four Paths, Osborne Store, Tollgate, and Clarendon Park. So basically it's going to run beside the existing road, and then it heads into the St. Tools and continues through the hilly terrain. Now, it then continues along the Melrose Hill bypass, which will be incorporated into the new alignment of the highway. And the Melrose Hill bypass is going to be converted from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. And this highway will be at 4 lanes, running all the way from Kingston to Mandeville. And the road crosses a train line and terminates just east of the steel bridge in the vicinity of the Williams Field roundabout.